driving force actually behind all of this. And thank God for that. Look at this. This is beautiful. The First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos. If one will read Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, Jose Rizal depicted the Pasig River that was vibrant, full of life. And the remaining photographs that we see from the earlier times show that the river was full of life, full of activity. Many, many people, many, many boats doing all kinds of, conducting their business. And it was all done on the river. The First Lady, Lisa, and I are keeping an eye on the progress of this vital project. I am certain that her interest in history and culture has enriched this initiative, ensuring that Pasig River becomes integral to our collective identity. Mga kababayan, sa pagbabalik natin ng sigla at buhay sa Ilog Pasig, hindi lang tayo makakapag-post ng Instagrammable na photo. Mapapaalagaan din natin ang ating kasaysayan, ang ating kalikasan, ang ating kinabukasan. Sa gitna ng pagbabago ay ang bagong Pilipino na may disiplina, may kahusayan, may pagmamahal sa bayan. Patuloy ninyo akong samahan sa landasin na ito. Langhapin natin ang sariwang hangin at masdan ang mga sinag ng ilaw sa tubig. Naway lagi nating matatandaan, ito ay ating ilog. Ito ay ating kinabukasan. Sama-sama tayong bubuhayin ito. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Ilog Pasig. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.